Hey Tiz! So I just remembered we don't have access to our music box. So I thought, why don't we create our own at home? So all you'll need is some sticky notes, a pen or a pencil, and something to hold your sticky notes in. I'm using an old candle. It's no longer a candle, there's nothing in there. And first, all you have to do is take your sticky notes and write down some of your favorite songs. So, this one says Five Little Ducks. This one is Five Green and Speckled Frogs. This one's Baby Shark. And this one's the alphabet song. So, you're going to take your sticky notes, fold them in half, and then you're going to place them in your container of your choosing. So I'm going to fold them all in half. And you can add as many or as little songs as you want. So far we have, in my container, 4 songs. So we just created our music box from home. And then remember our music song when we're deciding what song we're going to pick. And it goes like, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it if you can. And if you cannot shake it, then do the best you can. And then you open the jar, close your eyes, and you pick a song. This song says, Five Green and Speckled Frogs. So then you go on to sing Five Green and Speckled Frogs. You'll put that one to the side, cover your jar again, and move on to the next person. And you go again like, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it if you can. And if you cannot shake it, then do the best you can. And that person will pick their song. And that's how you make your music box at home. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys have fun doing this. I certainly did. I can't wait to see you guys, and I'm so happy that I'm able to talk to you guys virtually. Bye.